Dear friends, this video is about technicals and legal aspects of the Church of South India Trust Association, its administration and activities. As you are all well aware, CSI TA is a property management company managing properties held on by them from missionary donated societies and trusts and organizations and few companies. Certain companies have only given administration rights. Certain people have not even given the administration to CSI TA. Illegally and forcefully, certain organizations have been acquired by CSI TA from 1948 till date and held on and administrated in a suspicious and questionable manner. For example, the UBMC TA properties are forcefully and illegally administrated by CSI TA, and the OS 22 of 1977 stands witness, and the judgment in RFA CROB 280 2001 and RF CROB 20 of 2001 in SLP 13670 of 2012 stands pending in the Supreme Court of India. Friends, CSI TA was administrated in suspicious manner, and many people have been colluding with each other, claiming to be directors. The documents of the ROC Chennai dated 16 September 2020, 7th October 2020 is evidence sufficient enough that there are no directors in CSI TA approved by the ROC, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. CSI TA is having exemption of income tax, which was revoked by the Government of India, finding faults of more than 5,000 crores of Gafla business. Many people who are beneficiaries of parent donor beneficiary companies administrated by CSI TA are not aware that they are beneficiaries of parent donor companies and not of CSI TA. CSI TA does not have beneficiaries. They are only beneficiaries, holders of administrated companies. Most importantly, these problems will not be resolved unless people who are attending CSI Order of Worship churches, CSI TA run institutions stand up for their rights and claim beneficial interests of parent donor missionary companies to be deposited directly into their bank accounts. CSI TA does not have directors as of present, so most of the parent donor company properties income in form of lease and rentals should be deposited directly into the beneficiary's account, for which we are filing a writ petition before the Madras High Court, seeking direction of the Madras High Court to alienate parent donor missionary company properties from the defunct non-compliant company CSI TA and be handed over back to the parent donor companies and its beneficiaries. In a trust or a society or a company, the beneficiaries of these companies are held by the beneficiaries, not the trustees. The trustees are just parent holders, or directors of CSI TA are just parent holders just to oversee and ensure that they administrate the company for the beneficiaries' interests. Whereas in CSI TA, few people have bank accounts jointly administered by using just CSI and running organizations, churches, companies, hospitals and institutions, and without approval of ROC nor approval of directors, as directors are non-existent. These people are operating as joint holders. All banks, institutions which have financial transactions with CSI TA should freeze such bank accounts. These are bogus bank accounts. We are raising several complaints before the RBI and several complaints of holding accounts in the name of CSI and collecting money from Christian Welfare Board, Minority Funds Department is illegal. We have informed the details to the respective government institutions. We are in process of taking action, and you will all find action in days to come. Most importantly, the clergy is the employee of CSI TA. If the clergy do not have the appointment letter of CSI TA directors, such clergies are not employees of CSI TA, nor can any person claiming to be employee without appointment letters have any EPFO or other benefits. Another thing in CSI TA is, as its company registered under Indian Companies Act, CSI TA more fully, a company